doctor can't send me no bites. Can't lie, this shit felt like a slump. Baby so fine that she came with some hills. I told her come bring me that rump. Baby got brain and her shit.
Look at this nigga. Now AI at his fucking finest, bro. Who the fuck is this nigga? Who is that nigga? Y'all see this? Who is this nigga? You see this nigga? Now who this nigga? See that nigga don't look the same as. Look at it. He look normal as fuck. Look. This Yavo. Big Yavo. You see this nigga? This is what Big Yavo look like. We all know. Now look, watch this, bro. This is why I'ma just slow. Look, we about 115. We about 121. Hold up, is this the damn video? Is this the part? Hold up. Nah, look at this nigga right here. This is it. Right here. So you go back to like 24 seconds, 34, 44, 34. Look at this nigga. Who is that? Look. Yup, 44 seconds in this video. It's called faking it. Now look, I'm going back. Look at this. Look, it's swear. 36. I'm gonna start right there. Look at his face. This Yavo for real. We all see. We know well now. Look at this. Right here. Hold on. Watch the AI switch. Right there. Now who, like, come on, man. For real. Like, who? AI at its finest, bro.